Hi ChatGPT, give me Arduino code to build a spectrum analyzer using LED matrix 8x8 and ESP32. It gives me an example code but requires Wi-Fi connection, too complicated for a start. So I ask to have another code with dummy data. This time it gives me a code that lightens the whole matrix with random color. I have to repeat the requirements again that I need to a spectrum analyzer. Finally, I have the code that seems to be what I'm looking for. Now ask ChatGPT how to program my ESP32 using this code. It says that I need to connect my ESP32 to my computer. Here is my ESP32W on board. Let's plug it in. Then copy the code to Arduino IDE, save the project with an arbitrary name. Now look for ESP32 rover module in the menu tool, boards list. The bad news is that I don't see ESP32 in the list. Let's see if ChatGPT can help. Okay. I need to install ESP32 board from menu tool board manager. Again, not found any ESP32. I need an answer from ChatGPT. This time it tells me that ESP32 not available in the default package source and give me the link to new package source. Full instructions included, of course. Now let's check if the desired package is available in the board manager list. Found it. Okay. Install the package. Look for ESP32 rover module. Time to upload the code to my board. Oh, looks like I'm missing the Arduino FFT library. ChatGPT told me I need to install Arduino FFT library. There is an Arduino FFT library but with first letter being lowercase. Let's double check with ChatGPT to see if this is the one we are looking for. It confirmed. So I will install this FFT library and recompile. Same error. I know the reason. We need to update the code to use Arduino FFT library with first letter being lowercase. But let's see if ChatGPT really aware of this. It keeps rambling about installing Arduino FFT library. Okay. I will modify it myself. Change all Arduino FFT with first letter being uppercase to lowercase and recompile. It looks fine now. Nothing happens. Check the serial monitor to see if there are any error messages. Okay. I'll save ChatGPT again. I know my ESP32W works properly with Firebeetle ESP32 option. Let's upload again with this option. Finally, it works. But not really looks like a spectrum analyzer. There are 3 problems that need to be solved. First, I don't connect any signal to analog pin 0, so random value will be given. However, to make sure the range is correct, I'd rather to use random method instead. So I asked ChatGPT to update and got back the same code but replace analog read with random from 0 to 1023. That's what I expected. Just copied that line. The second problem is the value of any elements in the real array is large, but my matrix only 8 by 8. Dividing the value by only 4 means any value greater than 32 will fill up entire spectrum column. Let's see if ChatGPT aware of this issue. That's insane! ChatGPT knows the problem and changes divisor from 4 to 10,000. Seems like 10,000 is too big. After a few tries, I think 1,000 is the best divisor. Last problem is the length of the real array is 128, but my matrix only has 8 columns. That basically means my matrix shows only a small part of the spectrum plot. I asked for help, but the first time, ChatGPT didn't catch my idea. I tried it a second time. It got my point and provided a perfect fix. The size of the v-real array is 128 and is specified in the samples keyword. So the new code tries to split this array into 8 different parts corresponding to the 8 columns of my lead matrix. Then for each part, it will calculate the mean. This value will be divided by 1,000 just like what I modified earlier. Now copy the new code into Arduino IDE. Recompile and upload again. Have you noticed that in the code only black and white are used, but my lead matrix shows multiple colors? I suspect that my lead matrix has some problem. So I asked ChatGPT to write code to test my 8 by 8 matrix. And yes, my lead matrix is broken. I bought a new one. First, check if this new matrix is in good condition. Looks fine. Now reprogram ESP32 with the spectrum analyzer code. Now it looks like a music spectrum analyzer. However, the height of the columns needs to be increased. I changed this divisor from 1,000 to 500. Perfect. But it looks boring. I asked ChatGPT to add some gradients. As you have noticed, ChatGPT sometimes stops midway. Good news is that it will continue to respond if we complain. Okay, that's enough for today. Subscribe for the next part. Let's see how well ChatGPT can work with this spectrum analyzer project. Don't forget to share, comment. See you soon!